सुप्रीम कोर्ट आज वक्फ संशोधन अधिनियम 2025 की संवैधानिक वैधता को चुनौती देने वाली याचिकाओं पर सुनवाई करेगा। कांग्रेस नेता शहद नसीर हुसैन ने कहा, वक्फ संशोधन विधेयक को चुनौती देने वाले कई लोगों ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में याचिका दायर की है। जिस तरह से कोर्ट में बहस चल रही है, मुझे उम्मीद है कि पूरा मामला निपटने तक विधेयक के असंवैधानिक प्रावधानों पर रोक लगेगी। यह एक ऐसा कानून है जो एक समुदाय को निशाना बनाकर बनाया गया है।
Many people have filed petitions in Supreme Court against challenging the WAF bill, WAF Act. Supreme Court has also asked almost the same questions which the opposition parties were asking in JPC and Parliament. I think the government has taken time to give written submissions, and then the advocates, the lawyers who were opposing the bill, who were standing to oppose the bill, were also asked to submit written submissions. So now I think that has been done. There is a hearing, and the way the arguments were going on in the court, I hope that there will be a stay on the unconstitutional provisions of the bill till the complete hearing or the complete case is disposed of. The fact remains that there are a number of provisions which are unconstitutional in that. There are a number of provisions which are inserted that only will weaken the constitution, that will only weaken the right to equality in front of law. And it's a discriminated law. It's a law which has been targeted against a community. It's a law which is very unfair in nature. It is not according to the constitution, according to which we have been running the government for the past